Hello, Paul and the most excellent community of developers for another video about AI on the Edge, following Paul courses, of which the link is below in the comment. So have a look there if you want the source. I was having some concerns about the fan I installed here on the Raspberry Pi the other day because it's not moving, so I wanted to check the good functioning of it, good working of this fan. And for this I want to have a look at the temperature. So for the temperature here we can type VCGEN CMD and measure underscore temp. Yes, and we see here 41.7 Celsius. I'll let you do the math for Fahrenheit if you prefer. So fan is not moving, and I want to try to see the reaction when I increase the temperature. So how can we increase the temperature? By doing something in maybe Python here. Okay, so while true we make an operation, blank operation, we use a trash variable which is underscore, and we make an operation like y yes Gosh, it was a little problem with my numlock here, and we square root by exponent 0.5. Yes, okay, and we run this while we do nothing. So it's running, and if I update the temperature here, 43.9, 44, 45, or not more than this. Okay, let's try to do more. So we stop here. We'll add some figures. Yep, and we run again. $47.7. A passive cooler must act quite efficiently, I think. 48, so it's increasing slowly. $48.3, still nothing. I let it work and I have a sip of coffee. No milk, no sugar. Whoa. 48.8, 49.4. Pie is cool. It's easy to make it sweat. Oh yes, it started now. You see it spinning. Yes, so it's around 49. I think that below 45 it's considered as safe. We'll have to check the characteristics, but starting at 50 Celsius it starts the fan here. So it's stabilized now, 48, 49. If I stop the loop, temperature should decrease. 47, 46. No, it's not directly stopping, it's like a hysteresis cycle, I think. And now it's stopped at 46. Okay, that's all I wanted to test. For the rest, I just plugged in a dongle for the keyboard, a little screen, set it with the tight VNC to make it easier to capture the video. So we are all set up. Thank you for watching. Bye.